Money got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and on this channel, it's a community of hair lovers. We love all things healthy hair. So if this is a community you'd like to be a part of, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. Now today's video is a requested one. I recently did a review on a Kinky Straight V part wig, and I was asked to do an updated review on this wig. It's been like one of my go-to wigs outside of my headband wig. So I just want to give you my pros and cons of this V-part Kinky Straight wig. Okay, so I'm definitely going to start with the cons because I like to end on a positive note over here, okay? The cap seems to get larger each time I shampoo the wig. Like every time I wash this wig, the cap seems to expand. When I initially reviewed this wig, I said this was big head girl friendly. If you got a medium to big head, this gonna work for you. Or if you have a lot of hair and you need to cover some portions, this is big head approved, okay? This for us big head girls. And it is. However, each time I shampoo and condition this hair, I put it on the wig form to dry overnight, and then I'll style it on the wig form. But it seems as though each time I do it, the wig expands, you guys. Like this, if you got a lot of hair, you're gonna love this because you have room and you have room to grow. But as you can see, like my head only takes up this portion. Everything else below the strap kind of hangs. I noticed that the wig cap was stretching 2 shampoos later. Comment down below if you have this issue as well with the wig cap expanding. When I put it on the wig head to dry, it's not like I'm pulling it or expanding it. I literally just set it on the wig head and let it dry. And each and every time I feel like it comes out larger. That's a big con for me because I don't need all of this extra stuff hanging below because that irritates your neck. Which brings me into my next con. So con number 2 is this portion and the adjustable strap itself. So the plastic piece broke off a week after wearing the wig. I did wear the wig continuously for a week. I do not sleep in it. It comes off every night. If you haven't seen my video of how I take care of my hair underneath my wig, I definitely mention it in that video, but I do take this wig off at night. The sewing wasn't all that great. And so the plastic piece broke off. I would have been more than happy to just, like sew it back on, but when it broke off, it literally like flew. And I don't know where it is. I don't know where it is. So I couldn't even put it back. But that is a con because not only is the wig cap itself expanding, the adjustable plastic piece that helps me to customize it a bit better to my head broke off. So I ended up having to tie it together. I did tie it together while it was on my head so I can make it as comfortable as possible for my head size. My last con, and yes, there's only 3 cons. This one is gonna sound really, really petty, you guys. It's gonna sound petty, okay? But I had to cut the last 2 or 3 inches off because they were somewhat see-through. And most people would keep those inches and just walk around with scraggly ends on their hair extensions. But my thing is, if you wouldn't do that with your real hair, why would you do that with your extensions? Like, all that gotta go though. Most people would keep that. I'm not one of those people. To me, like if I buy 24 inches of hair, I want 24 inches of hair. I don't want 22 inches of hair and 2 inches of see-through hair that I'm going to have to cut off anyway. Because what happens is, if I want 22 inches of hair, I have to purchase 24 inches of hair just so I can cut it to what I actually wanted. So in turn, I'm spending more money. That's how I think about extensions. That's how I think about inches. Like inches equals money. That irritated me. And to me, that is a con. So hopefully I conveyed the cons pretty well to you guys. So on to the pros, because there are beautiful pros to this wig. The pros outweigh the cons, which to me makes the wig worth purchasing. The blendage is A1. Like when I say it matches my texture of hair perfectly, it matches my natural texture, because I have like this much of natural hair, you guys. Like I have not relaxed my hair since October, so I'm working with 2 textures. The blendage is unmatched, period. So the next pro is the density of this wig. Like there's so many strands on this wig cap alone. Like you guys, I did a video showing you guys 3 styles that I was going to utilize with wearing this V-part wig. And a lot of times you don't get enough density to wear it half up, half down. But they did a really, really good job with making it as dense as it is, so you can just wear it any kind of way you want to wear it, as long as, you know, this part is covered. In my opinion, some people wear it, you know, with no leave out. I've tried that. We've seen that with that colored wig that I had. Yeah, I love the density of this wig. My next pro is that it's minimal to zero shedding. I have almost no shedding with this wig. I'm not saying that it doesn't shed at all, because all wigs and weaves or whatever sheds. I've had this for quite some time now, and nothing. You will get minimal shedding, of course, when you're raking through it. Can you guys see that? I just did like this. But when you're doing this, you are gonna get some shedding, but it's minimal. So when you're out in the world and, you know, you go like this while you're at work, or, you know, you run your fingers through it while you're at work, or out running errands, you're not gonna get a glob or knots of hair at your nape. I have not experienced that, and I love that about this wig. That takes me into the softness of it. This hair is so soft. Like it's still very much buttery soft. I can get my hands through it with ease. It has not lost its softness, its texture. It is a winner. This is so soft and manageable, which takes me into my last pro. It holds a curl. Can y'all see that? Now, when I say it holds a curl, when you first curl it and it's curled tight, of course, like it's curled tight. But 2 weeks in, this is 2 weeks in, and it still has a wave. It still has a curl to it, and I haven't had to re-curl it. And it shows in that video that I did, that I spoke about earlier, you know, putting it on and off of the mannequin. All I did was brush it, you guys. I brushed it, I blended in with my hair, and I was out the door. The manageability of this wig, and by it being so soft, it doesn't irritate your skin. Like I have eczema really bad. I always get my eczema on my neck and my nape area, which is why my nape is so sensitive. And, you know, if I'm gonna have any hair issues, it's gonna start in the nape. I know this by now. So this hair being so soft, it feels really good against my skin. It doesn't irritate my skin at all. I haven't had any problems. It doesn't bunch up and get knotty on the back of your neck where it starts to get irritating and where you just want to take it off. The blendage, the density, minimal to zero shedding, softness, manageability, and it holds a curl. There are 6 pros that outweigh those 3 cons. So I definitely feel like this wig is so worth the money. It's worth having. Is my lashes being disrespectful again? That's the problem with these big ass lashes. They are so disrespectful. that is my pros and cons of this Kinky Straight V part wig. So thank you so much for watching this channel. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you so much for requesting this video. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up on your way out. And until the next time, be loved. Bother me,